Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. When an intangible asset with an indefinite useful life other than goodwill is being tested for impairment, it's subject to what? A. Recoverability test and a fair value. B. Recoverability test only. C. A fair value test only. D. A recoverability test or a fair value test. Now, what's the key in this multiple choice? The key is you are dealing with an intangible asset with an indefinite useful life. Once you know that an asset will have an indefinite useful life, whether it's an intangible or a tangible asset, it means you cannot depreciate, you cannot amortize. Why not? Because an indefinite useful life means it will have a perpetual, unlimited life. Therefore, if it has an unlimited life, there's no recoverability test, because in the recoverability test, you look at your future cash flow and you compare them to the carrying value. If there's no time frame that you can compute your future cash flow, forget about recoverability test. So if you only know that much, you will take out A, B, and D. What's left is C, and the answer is correct. It's a fair value test, and it's a one test process, carrying value versus fair value. Now, if you are looking at completing this at Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI, Farhat AI, to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and most importantly, create a similar MCQ to this one to help you practice these concepts better. Here's what I can tell you. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your education, invest in your career, whether you're a CPA exam candidate, CMA, or an accounting student. No one can take that away from you. Study hard, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AICPA questions, previously released AICPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.